The Advin Health Care Coronary Thrombectomy Surgical Set enables fast and effective thrombus removal during coronary interventions, supporting restored blood flow and procedural safety. Introducing the Advin Health Care Embolectomy Catheter, designed for the safe and effective removal of thrombi and emboli during vascular interventions. It plays a critical role in restoring blood flow and reducing procedural complications in emergency and planned procedures. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the catheter features a smooth, atraumatic balloon that enables secure clot engagement while minimizing vessel trauma. The balloon allows controlled expansion, supporting reliable clot retrieval with enhanced procedural safety. The Advin Health Care Embolectomy Catheter offers excellent flexibility and kink resistance, ensuring smooth navigation through complex vascular anatomy. Clear size and length markings allow accurate positioning under imaging guidance. Compatible with standard guide wires and vascular systems, it integrates seamlessly into routine clinical workflows. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and dependable performance trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. Introducing the Advin Health Care Aspiration Catheter, a precision-engineered device designed for effective aspiration of thrombus, debris, and fluids during cardiovascular and peripheral interventional procedures. It plays a vital role in restoring vessel patency and improving procedural outcomes. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the aspiration catheter offers an optimal balance of flexibility and pushability, enabling smooth navigation through complex and tortuous vascular anatomy. Its kink-resistant shaft maintains lumen integrity, ensuring uninterrupted aspiration performance throughout the procedure. The Advin Health Care Aspiration Catheter features a large inner lumen that delivers efficient aspiration with enhanced suction capability. This design supports rapid clot and debris removal while minimizing the risk of distal embolization. The atraumatic distal tip helps reduce vessel trauma and supports safe advancement within delicate vascular structures. Radiopaque markers enhance visibility under fluoroscopy, allowing accurate positioning at the target site. Designed for compatibility with standard guide wires and aspiration syringes or pumps, the catheter integrates seamlessly into routine interventional workflows. Available in multiple sizes and configurations, the Advin Health Care Aspiration Catheter adapts to varying vessel diameters and procedural needs. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and reduces the risk of cross-contamination between patients. Each catheter undergoes strict quality testing to meet international safety and performance standards. Trusted by interventional cardiologists and vascular specialists worldwide, the Advin Health Care Aspiration Catheter delivers reliable aspiration efficiency, procedural control, and consistent clinical performance. At Advin Health Care, we are committed to advancing interventional solutions that enhance patient safety and clinical success. The aspiration catheter reflects our dedication to quality, innovation, and clinician confidence.